vlog. Now we're diving into the existing world of multimedia and ICT. Gusto niyo po kung malaman kung ano ba ang multimedia and ICT? Nandito si Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim, bomba na!
Kamusta kayo? Ako si Kuya Kim. Ngayon, tuturuan ko naman kayo ng mga fun facts tungkol sa multimedia and ICT. Ang una dyan, alam niyo ba, ang unang video na na-post ay sa YouTube na nangangalan na Me at the Zoo by Carl Jarim noong Abril 23, 2005. Pero alam niyo ba itong simpleng video na to? Siya ay tumulong para ma-revolutionize ang multimedia. Kaya ngayon namang henerasyon na to, ang multimedia at saka online videos ay naging major part ng ICT. Gusto niyo pa ba matutunan tungkol sa ang mga nagagawa ng ICT at multimedia? At dito ang mga kasama ko para turuan kayo. Halina!
First, let's talk about multimedia. Multimedia is the combination of different content forms such as text, images, audio, videos, and animation. From the post that is shown through the internet and the movies that you watch. Imagine the world where there is no entertainment. Pretty dull, right?
Now let's move on to ICT, or Information and Communication Technology. ICT refers to all the technologies that are enabled to store, transmit, and manipulate information. This includes computers, the internet, mobile phones, and artificial intelligence.
Multimedia and ICT revolutionize entertainment by providing immersive experience through digital content like movies, music, video games, and streaming platforms. They also enable global access to entertainment, allowing creators to reach wider audience and users to enjoy on-demand content anytime and anywhere.
Why should we care about multimedia and ICT? Here are three main reasons. First, multimedia and ICT plays a crucial role in education by making learning more engaging, interactive, and accessible through the use of videos, animations, and online resources. They enhance cooperations and collaborations among students and teachers, allowing for real-time discussions and remote learning.
Multimedia and ICT revolutionizes the entertainment district by a mile, as they can provide immersive experiences through digital content like movies, videos, music, video games, and even streaming platforms. Not only that, they allow global access, therefore allowing creators reach wider audiences and even users to enjoy anytime and anywhere.
Multimedia and ICT are shaping the future. We're just getting started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more tech and digital